Alright, we're on our way to use my film camera. I have my sister, Olga. She's gonna be the our model for today. And Sebastian's gonna do a little behind the camera, Sebastian. And we're going to just... I want to say something first before I start this video. I have never used a film camera before. Like, never. The only ones that I used was those ones that you buy off the store, those cheap ones in plastic. That's the only film camera I use in my life. So we'll see how it goes. That's just my disclaimer because I don't want people to be like, you suck or something. No, you gotta learn. I mean, I'm gonna learn how to use it eventually.
I'm a professional.
But I'm so used to using like every time I take a picture with my camera, I'm used to looking at the picture and like figure out my settings. But you can't do this with the film because you can't look at the picture right away. So we're gonna go old style. That's what our ancestors did back in the day. Sebastian is gonna put a little bit of music. I guess we'll start recording once we get the spot. Alright, so I'm right here at the spot. Let me put some of this because my lips
not crusty.
So I can have some.
We have to cut this off.
Here, put a little
Oh, it's just on. You were off the whole time.
Ah, shit. Let's go. So this is the place where we're gonna do. If you notice that a lot of my videos or stuff that I do, I come to this place because there's a lot. Like there's like a little park. There's like a little trail. And it's like a really good, it's a really good place where I come just to practice my stuff. But there's a lot of things that I can practice with, so I don't want y'all to be like, damn, you go to the same place every time. Oh, this place is really close to where we live, like
yeah, like not even a mountain. Yeah, I said that.
All right, stop.
Bad bitch.
Sebastian went on a mission with who, Sebastian?
The bad bitch. It's not even recording it.
It is.
Oh shit, it is.
Alright, so I might find a spot where I can sit and put this film.
Stop.
I don't know,
Let's go down there.
I'm honestly a little bit like scared, Sebastian.
Why
Never
did I
done
bring
this.
chanclas, bruh?
Oh, Sebastian, bro, some
My Nike
sandals.
slides, you know what I'm saying?
But we're not walking farther than this spot right here. This is the film camera. Where's the film?
No, look at you. You're holding it. Oh.
No, the film.
Oh, I have it. Yes.
No, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, what the hell? Alright. Here's the moment of truth. This is the film camera.
Right there.
Sebastian, you're supposed to record me.
Sorry, it's just I'm getting creeped out.
Maybe they having some sex. All right, this is the film camera, right? This is the film right here, and I don't think you're supposed to expose it to the sun. I think that's if you have the camera and you really put it in, and then you try to take it out, it'll get mixed up. But this is the film right here, and I'm gonna open the camera.
Wait, it's an old camera?
All right, so this is.
Just drop your stuff on my chocolate too.
So this is.
Alright, sorry.
So this is the film. I think it goes.
It's this right there.
Where?
It's this right there, film. What do you mean, I think?
No, I think it goes like this. I'm trying to say that. With your booga. Ah, damn it.
What the? Oh, I'm not saying it.
Ah, there.
There's tea in the water.
There.
Stop.
Okay. Alright, so this is on.
Scared.
And so there. Why is this not turning on?
Oh my god, this is a fail.
I'm telling you.
We have to
Okay,
go back to the house.
I think.
Get new batteries and shit.
But it's not on though. Wait. Sebastian, did you turn it on at home? It's on.
God, this is annoying. Chill. Okay, let's go. Chill. Wait, let's go in. Let's get our cameraman right here.
Okay, you recording, Sebastian?
Yeah.
So, I don't know how to use this. I have my settings right here. I put the film in, but it doesn't show me like how many pictures are left. I think I didn't put the roll. So they say that once you open the film, or like once you put the film in and you try to open it, the film is gonna get messed up because it's not supposed to get any light. But since I'm having trouble here, I'm going to do it. I want to see because it's not. It's a fucking fail. I don't know what I'm doing. We're going home. I'll probably just do like a little video and I'll do a second part. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I should have done this. I should have done more research before I even came.
Boy.
The film. I don't even know if the film is taking pictures. If you look at the video, I mean, if you look at this thing right here in the show,
The screen, yeah.
the screen, I think it's supposed to show me like the number of. Now it's off. It's not turning on. Ah, this is not good. This is not good. I don't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna go home and try to do this, I guess, another day. Fuck!